Upcoming dancehall artist, Crown Boss, gunned down at St. Anne Motel. Upcoming dancehall artist, Crown Boss, gunned down at St. Anne Motel. Up-and-coming dancehall entertainer, Crown Boss, is the latest murder victim in St. Anne after his body was found with multiple bullet wounds at a motel in Claremont on Saturday morning. Crown Boss, whose real name is Mario Peynado, is a 27-year-old resident of Spicy Hill in Trelawney. Reports are that Peynado checked into a room at the motel in the rural St. Anne town on Friday night. Further reports are that sometime after 7 a.m. on Saturday, the entertainer's body was found inside his room and the police were summoned. The officers who responded observed that Peynado's body had multiple gunshot wounds, as well as multiple lacerations. The body was subsequently removed to the morgue. Peynado recorded songs such as Drop Top, Money Brawin', ATM, and a single featuring dancehall artiste Javalani entitled, Money CYA Done. The St. Anne police are investigating. Brought to you by Jamaica News.